Welcome back to Digitech Dynamo. Today, I'm going to show you how to control a relay using Bluetooth and an Arduino with the status displayed on an LCD screen. This is a great project if you want to remotely control devices with your smartphone. Come let us see the comments. An Arduino board to manage the system, a relay module to control the external device, an LCD screen to display the status of the relay, a Bluetooth module for wireless communication, and a few connecting wires to bring everything together. In this setup, the LCD will display whether the relay is on or off based on the commands we send via Bluetooth. You can easily control the relay from your smartphone, and the status will be instantly updated on the screen. Let's see it in action. When I send a 1 command via Bluetooth, the relay turns on, and the LCD shows relay on. If I send a 0 command, the relay turns off, and the display updates to relay off. This makes it easy to control devices remotely. And that's how you can control a relay using Bluetooth with an Arduino, complete with real-time feedback on an LCD screen. If you found this project useful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more exciting tech projects. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more innovative electronics projects coming your way.